In case if you want to uninstall this project from your Kali Linux, you're gonna type in terminal pipx uninstall Sherlock project and hit enter from your keyboard. In this video, we're diving into Sherlock Project, an open source intelligent tool that lets you hunt down social media accounts by username across more than 400 platforms. Whether you are a cybersecurity researcher or a digital investigator, you're just curious about cybersecurity, Sherlock is a powerful way to see where username exists online. When you copy the method to the clipboard and paste the pipx installed Sherlock-project, hit enter from your keyboard, you will install it on a Docker container. Sherlock is a Python-based command line tool. You simply enter a username and Sherlock automatically checks hundreds of websites from Twitter and Instagram to Nage forums to see if that username is taken. It's fast, lightweight, and designed for OSINT or an open source intelligence gathering. OSINT it organizes hundreds of websites and utilities into categories like social media network and domain names, IP addresses, geolocation, and more. And the Sherlock is just a small tool in the OSINT framework that belongs to tree. You follow a tree of options that guides you to the right tool for the right type of data, whether you are tracing usernames, analysis metadata, or verifying digital footprint. The framework provides a roadmap for efficient and ethical intelligence gathering. For package configuration, which surface should be restarted? By my side, I will choose Tor at default to the surface because I installed Tor network on my operating system. Also, restarting your PC is required, but we will make a small test before restarting your PC to see if the libraries and the installation process has been succeed. This video covering the installation process only. This video for educational purposes. Avoid harmful or illegal uses. You will be responsible for any suspicious behavior.